In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache and cookies on Firefox, quickly and safely. This is one of the easiest ways to fix loading problems, sign-in issues, broken websites, and browser performance issues, and it only takes a few moments to do. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu, where you can find all of the browser settings and tools. From the menu, click Settings. That will open the Firefox settings page in a new tab. On the left-hand side, find and click Privacy and Security. This section controls your browsing privacy, tracking options, permissions, and site data. Now scroll down until you reach the Cookies and Site Data section. This is the area where Firefox stores website data that can build up over time, including cached files and cookies from the sites you visit. To continue, click the Clear Data button. A new window will appear with a couple of options. In this window, make sure you check Cookies and Site Data. This will remove stored cookies that websites use to keep you signed in or remember preferences. Next, check Temporary Cached Files and Pages, or in some versions of Firefox, this may be called Cached Web Content. This clears saved website files that Firefox uses to load pages faster, but that can sometimes become outdated or corrupted. Be careful not to select anything else unless you specifically want to remove more browsing data. If there are other options checked, untick them so you only clear the cookies and cache you actually want to remove. Once everything looks correct, click Clear. Firefox will then delete the selected data from your browser. After that, your browser may refresh some site logins or force websites to reload fresh content the next time you visit them, which is completely normal. And that's it. You've now cleared the cache and cookies on Firefox. If you run into a website issue, this simple fix often solves it right away. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.